the channel. Today we're going to be making a summer top inspired by this top right here, and these are the fabrics that I have. Ooh, I have this hat that I can wear when it's hot. Oh, well, okay, warm. Don't know who it belongs to. Some Milo for vitamins, because we need our vitamins. So I have these old fabrics that I've had for a while now. So I have a pink one and I have a white one, and I want to use both of them, but I'm really like super attracted to the cream one. So these are all like leftover fabric pieces that yeah, I've had for a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a top that is made from both of this white and pink, because if you know, I like wearing pink. If you don't know that already, now you know, okay? And then I'll make a different top with this one. So let's get into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I am going to measure myself. Now that I've measured myself, I'm going to make the... Now that I've measured myself, I'm going to make the top. First, I need to read, you guys. So just me scrolling through this book, I'm gathering all the information that I need. So guys, I'm done with the patterns. Here they are. I'm gonna cut 4 of these and then 2 of these. And if I can't get 4, then I'll do 4 more. Okay, so here are the pieces. I know it's gonna look cute. It looks like spectacles after all my many shades. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is gonna be the front, and it's going to be gathered over here like so. I think it's gonna look cute, and by the looks of things, I think I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit more over here. Let's see. And then this is the back. Shibubu, this is the back. So this is gonna be the back, and this is gonna be the front. Yeah, I think these colors look great together. That's why I'm doing it like this. And then I might just add like what do you see, like a nice frilly thing at the bottom. So we will see. Okay guys, so I am done with the back. This is how it looks. This is either going to be the inside or the outside, and I'm going to do the front where I have to like gather. So guys, now I am done. We're going to have this one on this side like that, and this one on this side like that. Isn't it gonna be cute? It is definitely gonna be cute. So I think I'm just gonna go down straight that way and down straight that way. And the reason for this is because I want to tie it here with like a really cute string that I'm gonna make. So I really just want them to be cute. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I think it's looking cute. Like, ish guys, I'm still gonna make amendments when I'm done. But so far, I think I need to take more from the side. I'm gay, guys, I'm gay. Okay, but anyway, so I'm going to add a strap here to tie it, and then I'm going to add other straps here, and then I'm going to add a frill this side. I don't know, should I do a pink frill and a white frill this side? No, that's too childish. We're keeping it, yeah, no. So Let me cut out the strips and then this one. So guys, I am doing the straps. I'm going to attach them to the top. I'm almost done. So the next clip is me done. So the next clip is of me done, and I'm showing you guys the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.